going to be teaching you guys how you guys can remove your connected site on MetaMask. So it's pretty simple to remove the site which is connected in MetaMask. But before that, for those people who do not know MetaMask, MetaMask is like a wallet. Basically, if you guys use Trust Wallet, then it's similar to that where you guys can store your crypto, alright? So if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website to know more about it. But this video is on how you guys can, delete the connected website on your MetaMask. So follow the step which I'm First step is you want to go to your MetaMask extension. So you want to click on this and click on Use Metamask. Once you click on MetaMask, your MetaMask is going to open like this. Once it opens like this, you want to click on this three dot over here. Once you click on this three dot, you want to go on Use Connected Sites. Once you go on Connected Sites, all the site which is connected to your MetaMask is going to be shown over here. Once you're over here, if you want to remove a site, let's say for me, I want to remove Chrome, I can click on this dustbin button. Once I click on it, I can click on Use Disconnect and it will be removed. Let me show you guys. I can go on my connected site. Now it's empty because I removed one account which was connected with my MetaMask. And in another one website which was connected with MetaMask, I removed it, so it's empty. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can remove your website connected with MetaMask. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. It's that simple. If you guys will understand this video, then do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video.